Diego Maradona. Diego Armando Maradona was an Argentine football professional and manager. He was born on the 30th of October 1960, and died on the 25th of November, 2020. The Spanish pronunciation of his name is Giamona. The fact that he was selected one of the two co-winners of the FIFA Player of the 20th Century Award is evidence that he is unanimously regarded as one of the most outstanding players in the history of the sport. Maradona's vision, passing, ball control, and dribbling skills, along with his diminutive stature, gave him a low center of gravity. Due to his lower center of gravity, he was able to maneuver more effectively than the bulk of other players. His presence and leadership on the field had a substantial impact on his team's overall success, despite the fact that he was frequently targeted by the opponent. In addition to his creative abilities, he was known for having a superb eye for the goal and excelling as a free-kick specialist. Maradona's early brilliance earned him the nickname El Pibe de Oro, which translates as the Golden Boy. Throughout his whole professional career, he was known by this moniker. In 1991 and 1994, he was banned for misusing narcotics and had a troubled off-the-field life. Maradona, an advanced playmaker who operated in the customary number 10 position, was the first player to set the world record transfer fee twice, in 1982, when he signed with Barcelona for £5 million, and again in 1984, when he transferred to Napoli for £6.9 million. His club career included stints with Argentinos Juniors, Boca Juniors, Barcelona, Napoli, Sevilla, and Newell's Old Boys. However, he is best remembered for his time at Napoli, where he was honored with a lot of awards and rose to fame. He earned 91 caps and scored 34 goals for Argentina during his international career. The 1986 FIFA World Cup was one of the 4 tournaments in which Maradona competed. During the tournament, he led Argentina to victory over West Germany in the championship game and was given the Golden Ball as the tournament's top player. In the quarterfinals of the 1986 World Cup, he scored both goals in a 2-1 victory over England that was historically significant for 2 reasons. The first goal was the result of an unpenalized handling foul known as the Hand of God, while the second goal was the result of a 60-meter, 66-yard, dribble past 5 England players and was named Goal of the Century by FIFA.com voters in 2002. In November 2008, Maradona was named head coach of the Argentine national football team. Prior to his departure following the conclusion of the 2010 World Cup in South Africa, he was the head coach of the team. During the 2011-12 season, he was the head coach of the Dubai-based UAE Pro League team Al Wasl. In 2017, Maradona was named Fujairah's head coach, however he quit at the conclusion of the 2017-18 season. In May of 2018, Maradona was announced as the new chairman of the Belarusian soccer team Dynamo Brest. When he arrived in Brest, the club greeted him and informed him that he would begin his duties in July. From September 2018 to June 2019, Maradona led the Mexican team Dorados as head coach. He was the head coach of Argentine Primera División team Gimnasia de la Plata from September 2019 to November 2020. In November 2020, he passed away.